are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Thank you all for tuning in today with me. I'm bringing you this easy project, how to make a multi-purpose roll-up case. This is how it looks. And so let me open this up. Pens, markers, pencils as well, and then scissors. There's still more room in this pocket to add more things to it. And then inside of here has a zipper holder. You can put other things. And like I said, you can target this for anything. I love it. I also made one for my husband. He can put his personal hygienes in here, his deodorant, his razors, and cologne and stuff like that. So it's multi-purpose. So let me roll this back up. Let's go ahead and make one of these beauties right here. What you will need for this project. So once you finish cutting out your fabric, you will be using interfacing on 3 of them, which is the outer base, which is the outside, and then the other 2 fabric. Iron on your interfacing on your fabric. Let's go ahead and put those aside for right now. You're going to be working with these 2 right here. So we're going to take our fabric and add the 28 centimeter section, and we're going to fold that in half. This one here at the 25 centimeters, we're going to fold that in half as well. You're going to pin that in place. And so you're going to go to the machine and you are going to sew down this end and then down here, and then this side here, and then down here as well. You should now have both ends sewn. So let's go ahead and cut. Flip it inside out. If you want, you can iron this out. Go to the machine and you're going to sew at the top here. Then you're going to sew up here as well. All right, we're gonna grab our inner lining. This is gonna go up here. This is gonna go here, making sure this section that's open, it sits at the bottom. And the same thing with this section that's open like that, it sits at the top. And from the corner here, 2 centimeters in, we're gonna position it. Centimeters in as well for this section. And we're going to go to the machine and we're going to sew the top here, straight across. Here, we're just going to sew at the side here. And that's it. You now have the top sewn and then the side as well. Next step, we're going to mark this so we can position our pockets. From this corner here over 9 centimeters over, mark. And from this corner here 9 centimeters over as well, and draw the line down. The next step we're going to do is we're going to line this section here up with this. So we're going to pull this up and line it up with the top section. All right, making sure it matches up, and then pin that in place. And so we're gonna go to the machine and we're gonna sew down here. You should now have this end sewn. It should match up the top. Let's go ahead and position this. In these pockets, you have to make sure we have a little bit space in each and every one of them. So put your finger in between and just have some space in between all 3 of them, making sure they have some room so you can put your stuff in. And then we're gonna pin this down in place. It should not look like that. I'm going to sew down those lines that we marked right here and right here. You should have both of these sewn down in the center. Or we're going to sew the bottom part right here in the center. Just kind of fold it over like this, and then do the same thing for this one too. Just kind of fold it like that, and then do the same thing, just the top part, okay, not the bottom, just the top of that. You're just gonna fold that. You can pin this in place, you know, sew all the way across. That's finished for now. Let's put it aside. Let's go ahead and work on our zipper. Get our little pieces of fabric strips, and then we're going to be putting it at the end of the zipper. We're going to take one right side facing the zipper, other one right side facing the zipper again. You're going to put it in the back, and then we're going to pin it in place. Do the same thing for the other side as well. Okay, and then you're going to sew here. You're going to sew here as well. It should now be sewn on there, both of them, and we're gonna pull it forward like that, and lay the other side as well. So let's go ahead and get our other two fabric, because we have this is our zipper pockets. Let's go ahead and fold that in half. The same thing for the zipper as well. Let's find the center, facing right side facing down, and center that, and pin that in place to machine, and you're going to sew all the way over. You should now have that sewn. It should not look like that, okay? Let's go ahead and cut these extra layers off. Let's go ahead and do our other fabric in the center of this as well. Let's fold this in half. Fold that up, and then take this right side facing down the other fabric and pin that in place. Go to machine, and you're going to sew all the way over. Okay, you should now have this sewn on here. I'm going to take this to iron this down if you need to. Here, the top one. We are going to be folding this. We're going to be tucking this in underneath this piece here. Pin that down. Okay, it should now look like that when you tuck it down. So we're going to go to the machine, and we're going to sew right here, and then we're going to sew the bottom here. Ahead and put this in position, and when we're going to line this up and put this right here, pin this in place. All right, now we're going to go to the machine, and we're going to sew starting from this end here. We're going to go all the way around, up, all the way down here, and come back down here. Okay, locking that in place. You should now have it all sewn around. All right, let's wrap it up. So now we're going to be positioning our strap closure. Let's find the center of this, and we can position it. You can get your cord, and you fold it in half, and then you put it right in the center there. And then you pin that down, and then you're going to sew that on there. You now have your strap closure sewn in place. I switched mine out. I didn't use the cord. I ended up making myself one to kind of match the fabric, to kind of go with the whole theme. Let's go ahead and finish this up. I'm gonna tuck this in here because it's so long. Go ahead and get our outer fabric, right side facing, and the top section here. We're gonna leave a gap up here, okay? And pin that in place. So you're gonna leave about a 10 centimeter gap, and then you're gonna sew all the way around, and all the way around, guys. Come up, and then stop at that other line, and leave that 10 centimeter gap. Let's go ahead and cut these corners. I went ahead and just ironed mine out. So that hole right there. Now you have two options. You can hand stitch this, okay, and lock that in, or you can sew right at the bottom here, starting where the flap is at, going all the way across, and then stopping right there at the flap again. I finished sewing straight across, and that locked that gap up really nice. Let me go ahead and fill this up and then finish. All right, y'all, I just put a whole bunch of stuff inside of here, my makeup brushes and eyebrow pencils and lip liners and just random makeup stuff. So nothing specifically in order, but I just threw some stuff in there, but that's just what I'm going to use it for. And then the inside of the zipper pocket has eyeshadow, my little makeup sponge, mascara, lipstick, another eyeshadow. It fits a pretty good amount of stuff if you was to travel or go anywhere or just take this on the go. I love it. It's perfect. And then you cover that up, and let's test this out. Let's roll this up. This looks very beautiful. I love this. These would make perfect gifts, y'all, like holidays, even birthdays as well. And then we just roll this up, make sure everything sits. That up, and then I just wrap that around. Wrap that around twice actually, through there. Perfect. Look at that. I love it. Looks really nice, y'all. And it sits really good and snugged in there. It seems like it's very protected. So yeah, love it. That's it for our tutorial. Please share, because it helps this channel to keep on flowing and me bringing new and creative ideas to you. So please share, make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.